Protective Bellow is delivered as a complete unit that you easily attach to the CL1001 lift table. This is the Velcro tape that you are going to stick onto the side of the lift table's lift platform. When delivered, it is attached onto the inside of the Protective Bellow to protect it during transportation. You just remove the Velcro tape from the Protective Bellow like this. Great job! The Velcro tape is attached to this strip of Velcro and you will reattach them later on. Just remember to have this side of the Protective Bellow turned upwards for later. You then remove the white plastic cover on the Velcro tape's sticky side. Place it on the side of the lift table platform and start attaching it to the table. Just remember that the Velcro tape should not be placed more than 5 mm above the side of the lift table's lift platform. When you're finished, the result should look like this. We recommend that you get a colleague. To help you out with the next step, attaching the Protective Bellow onto the lift table. The easiest way to do it is by first placing the long side of the Protective Bellow across the long side of the lift table platform. And then you thread the lift table's platform through the Protective Bellow. Make sure that the inner side of the Protective Bellow is aligned with the outside of the lift table's base frame. Included in the Protective Bellow package are the 4 brackets, screws and nuts that ensures that the Protective Bellow is firmly attached onto the lift table's base frame. Now it is time for you to mount the Protective Bellow's brackets onto the lift table's base frame. You do this by placing the bracket on the outside of the base frame, with the long side down and in between the first crease on the inside of the Protective Bellow. Place the short side up and the hole aligned with the hole in the base frame. Then you thread the screw through the hole from the outside in. Place the screw nut on it and use a wrench to ensure it is attached properly. When you're finished, this is how it should look. You do this to all the corners of the lift table's base frame. Once you're finished, the Protective Bellow is firmly attached to the brackets in the lift table's base frame. Attach the Protective Bellow to the lift table platform with the Velcro tape. The easiest way to do this is to have your colleague attach one corner while you attach the opposite one. Make sure that the Protective Bellow is properly attached alongside the lift table's lift platform. The final thing that you should always do is to test so that the lift table's safety frame works properly. Once it has stopped, you push the up button on the hand control to reactivate the table and move it upwards. And then you push the down button to see if the lift table moves downwards as well.